Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we will be solving two Boolean expressions with the help of truth table. So let's look at the first expression. So let's consider z bar plus yz bar plus z bar. So this expression with three variables. And another one, let's look with two variables. So let's derive them in truth table. For the first one, x y bar z bar plus. So we had learnt how to derive the truth table for the three variables. So x, y and z. So that is nothing but 8, 4, 2, 1. If we remember in our previous video we had looked this. So this is with three variables. So we'll look for the last three. So 4. So 4 times 0. 4 times 1. 2 means 2 times 0 and 2 times 1. Now 1 times 0 and 1 times 1. So the base of these expressions we have found it. Now let's try to solve this. So first let's take y bar. So y bar is nothing but the complement of these expressions. So 0 complement 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Now next look into x y bar. So x and y bar. So in between it would be dot. When there is no plus mentioned, then it is a dot symbol. So dot is nothing but it should satisfy both the condition, then only. So 0 and 1. 0 and 1 means 0 only. It's not satisfying both the condition. 0 0. So it's 1 1 satisfying. 1 1 satisfies. 0 0 doesn't satisfy. Now let's look for z bar. Z bar 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. Now let's see this. So if we have to look into this expression, we need to derive y and z bar. So let's go to y, z bar. So we already have a z bar and we have y. So y, z bar. So if nothing is mentioned in between, that is treated as multiplication, dot symbol. So dot means both the conditions should be satisfied as true, then only true. So here y and z. So it doesn't satisfy our condition. So 0. Now y, z 0. Y, z satisfying. No. 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 Yes. No. So we have done this now. Now let's derive this one. So z bar plus y z bar. Now here it is z bar plus y z bar. So z bar y z bar. So plus here in between. So plus means it satisfies both any one of the condition, then the result will be true. So 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Now we have got this. Now let's frame this and this. So x y bar open bracket z bar plus yz bar. Now here if you are seeing this column x y bar and this is z bar plus. So here in between there is nothing, no symbol mentioned, so it is treated as into. So into is satisfying both the condition. So here doesn't satisfy both the condition. 0 0 0 0. Yes, 1 0 0 0. So now we need to derive the entire thing. So I'll just keep it here. X y bar z bar plus yz bar plus z bar. Now if we see this has been derived over here. So now only remaining is plus z bar. So this one with z bar. So with z bar is plus. So plus means any one condition satisfied. So 1 and 0, 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So this is how you derive three variables, a Boolean expression, into a truth table. Now let's solve our second equation, which is of three variable again. So a open bracket b bar plus c close plus c bar close the bracket. So a, b and c, 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So first b complement. Let's derive all the easiest one first. So b complement 1, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. Let's derive it c complement as well. So 0 means 1, 1 means 0. Now b complement plus c. So b complement plus c, b complement and c. So plus means any one condition satisfied, then it's fine. 0 1 1 1 0 1. And now we need to find out this. So b bar plus c plus c bar. So we already have a b bar plus c here. Now plus c bar. So this one and this one. So in between we have plus. So any condition satisfies. 1 1 1 1 1. So we are seeing all 1. And now the entire condition, a b bar plus c plus c. So we already have this much, and then in between, if nothing is there, then it's a dot symbol. So this one with a. So both the conditions should meet, then only our result will be true. So here one condition is false, so false, 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 false. Now 1 and 1 true, 1 and 1 true, 1 1 true, 1 1 true. So this is how you derive the Boolean expression into a truth table. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.